Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield REDSEC game not launching, crashing, black screen, lagging, not loading or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. It is one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. After that, check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5. Now hold down power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave the power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Once done, check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First, highlight the game, then press options button. Now choose check for update. Now if any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Battlefield REDSEC game and click on restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. Next solution is to delete games save file PS5. For that, open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and finally select Battlefield REDSEC game. Next method is to check storage space on console. For that, open PS5 settings and move down to storage, and here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. So make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings and go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar. Then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. If not, next is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, go to settings and tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. If not, next method is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on your PS5, then choose system. Now go to system software, then system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available and finally select update using internet option. Next method is to reinstall Battlefield REDSEC game. For that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Battlefield REDSEC game again to check for the error. Next method is to contact support. So when nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just go through the link and explain whatever the issue you are coming across while playing the game. Hopefully the support team will try to resolve it from their end and you can play the game further. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.